Hi friends, it's Susie. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. What I have here today is a 6 by 12 inch or 14 inch canvas, and I'm going to do, I've got these interference colors that I want to use up, and I'm going to put a black base down and then put the interference colors on it. I have the gold, blue, violet, and the red interference colors. And then what you do is you just sprinkle it on top. I'm going to do a swipe so I can just sprinkle it all over like this. I believe this is the blue one, but I'm not really sure actually. It's hard to tell when you don't have them, clearly marked. It's really easy to get them separated from each other because if you don't put the lid back on right away, you forget which one it is because they all look the same. Sometimes they'll have a little glow of the color that they are, but not always. This looks like the red to me. It has a little bit of a reddish tint to it. So I think that's what this one is. I can see the red. I don't know if you can, but I can definitely see some red showing in that one. Okay, and then we got this one here, which I think is the violet, but I'm not sure. Also that red one, that could be the violet one. I think this is the gold one that I'm putting on right now. It has that yellow tint to it. It's usually an indication of the gold one. This one, I'm not sure. It's not really showing much of anything. All right, I'm gonna swipe it. And you just glide the spatula over gently. Now I gotta do the center. Alright, that should be plenty. Oh, so pretty. What I'll do is I'll bring you down for a close-up. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the white one. So we'll see how opal-y this looks. Put the white down. Cover with the canvas. A little bit more on here because it's not covering well. Here. Now these are the ones from Color Art. The Interference Colors by Color Art. I'm not sure which color that is. We'll find out. And this one's almost all gone. I think this is the violet. I may have to make up some more of this real quick. I didn't realize it was that gone, but now let's put this one on. Let's see if I can get some more of this one out. Pretty sure it was the violet. I want there to be plenty of violet in this color. So, it's probably going to be plenty. The only thing is with the white, you can't really tell, like if you miss a spot, you can't really tell very. And do a close-up, and well, this is it. And definitely see the gold there shining through. See some of the violet too. It's just there's like some pinkish color there, and yellow, the gold. Wow, it's actually really pretty. Oh man, I think I'm going to do this on an oval canvas. I think that would look really pretty on an oval canvas. And then put some, you know, varnish on it, or resin. Resin probably make it really stand out. after it dries fully. There's the blue. I see some of the blue showing through. Yeah, it's really subtle. It's really subtle with, but it's really pretty. I hope you can.